Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to recover a deleted video on the Photos application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Photos application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, go within Photos and Library to locate a video on screen. So what we will do is now highlight a video, right click, delete one video, and then we should receive a prompt on screen that says delete one video. Are you sure you want to delete this video? Yes, we are. Click on delete. And so once we have deleted that video is not instantly deleted forever. We then have a recently deleted folder show up on screen within Photos. If we click on this, if we then highlight delete the video again, then that is deleted from the Photos application. So in order for us to recover this video, highlight the video, click on the video, and then we have this option that was not available. It was actually grayed out. Recover, now available. Click on this. We have now recovered that video that was deleted. Let's now go back to library. That video has now returned back to where it initially was, and that recently deleted folder has been removed as there is nothing on screen that is deleted or has been deleted. So we can now quit Photos. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.